Hey, what's going on, everybody? I'm Chris. I'm here with Kathy. We are Ginger Marvin on Instagram and YouTube. We have another day of what sold for you today. So this is going to be from, what was it, Sunday afternoon to about now, which is Monday afternoon. So sales over the past 24 hours or so. Kathy's going to show you what pulled for us. What pulled for us? What sold for us? We're going to pull what sold for us.
All right, so we'll start with eBay, box DC. Oh, the box feels stuck. Those shoes are too long to be in the back. All right, so I sold, you can't really tell, but it's a Vineyard Vines t-shirt. That was my son's. I got it off Kitizen. I don't remember for how much, but definitely not as much as I sold it for, which was $19.95 plus shipping. So I think I made pretty much all my money back on that. I did sell this Third Love bra. That was the last one I have listed. I keep saying I need to get them listed, but I have probably 50 more. I did wash them all, and then we put them in these boxes, and I have never pulled them out. So yeah, that's going to be a lot of money, so I need to just do it because this one sold for $25.16 free ship. Shipping will be like $3. So if I can sell all of them for 20 plus ship, I just need to do it. So other than that, BN. I'm glad this sold because it was going to head to the consignment sale if it didn't. It's just a basic t-shirt. It says it's a Dr. Seuss. I can steer myself any direction I choose. That's just from Target. It was my son's shirt. It sold for $8.50 free ship, but I probably bought it for like $4 or $5, so good deal. And then box AG sold some swimming trunks. Yeah, so these are some Hurley swim trunks from the Marshall sale. Have $8 into these ones. They sold for $33.56 free ship. Shipping will just be around $4 on those. And then I sold a pair of the play shoes that we have lots of.
Oh, we gotta go in the dirty closet.
Full of recycled materials.
We have a box collecting problem. Do you need me to grab it?
Maybe, but so the Nemo. So there's these guys. Just some play Memos. I have $10 into each pair. This one sold for, I just dropped the price on these a few days ago, and this one sold for $20.96 plus shipping. So not too bad. I have several more boxes of them, so it's really nice. One listing, even though I'm gonna profit probably $8-9 off these. Times that by the 20 boxes I have, it's not bad.
Right.
So BB, pair of Keens. This has been in there forever, but I'm positive it's not listed, so I'm just gonna pull that out so I can list that. Anyways, these are just a pair of little girls' Keens. They sold for $19.88 free shipping. I have $2 into them. Shipping will probably be about $5 on those. Box DF, some Jordan sandals. Got these at Once Upon a Child a week or two ago on their, I think it was 70% off sale. I have about $2 and some change into them. They sold for $16.76 plus shipping. And then box BL, sold a pair of Nike shoes.
You gotta move your butt, Reese. Oh, he's scared.
So these are just some Nike Air Max. I've sold this exact pair before for quite a bit more, but these ones were just in really bad shape. I just was on a roll this day finding a bunch of shoes, and I didn't look them over that well. They're really dirty in the ankles. The soles are kind of worn down and stuff, but I paid $8 for them, and they still sold for $33.56 free ship. Shipping will cost If I can fit them in a padded flat rate, that's going to be the $7.76. If not, it's going to be like $10 because I did check and this person lives, I think it was like in Virginia. So anyways, hopefully I think I can fit those in a padded flat rate. Usually under women's size 9 I can. So all right, and then BO. These men's Nautica shorts. I grabbed these at the, not Marshall's, the TJ Maxx sale like the end of last summer, so quite a while ago, but I only paid $2 for them. I just dropped the price recently, and then I had a sale running over the weekend, so this buyer paid $12.56 plus shipping, so $212. Nothing to brag about, but it's all adds up. All right, that was that side. Box AJ. So this is the brand Chelsea and Theodore. It's not normally a brand I would pick up. I actually bought this for myself, and so I bought it at the Dillard's discount sale where it was like buy one get two free. So I have about $8 into it, but you're not allowed to try anything on at the store right now. So I just grabbed it hoping it fit, and it didn't. So I listed it, and it sold for $23.88 free ship. Shipping's probably like $3.50 or so on that. Alright, box B, some moccasins. Whoa, it's a foam. So those are some freshly picked moccasins. These were my son's. I think both my sons actually wore those. So we've had them for several years, but they sold for $19.88 plus shipping. I probably paid like $40 for them originally, so yeah, made a little money back. Let's see. Box F sold some Crocs. So these are just some sandal Crocs. They came from our ThredUp Kids Shoe Mystery Box. So I have about $4.40 into them, and they only sold for $15.88 free ship. So not making much, maybe doubling my $4, but that's okay. That was a fun little thing to do. And that was it for eBay. I did sell one Poshmark item, which I'm very happy about because we've had it forever. Of course, now I don't see it.
What is it?
Some shoes. Oh, they're there. It's these. There's some North Face girls sandals. I got these at a garage sale last summer, and you know, I didn't really look them over that well because they were like in the box and everything. Like, who keeps the box when their sandals are not in good shape? But anyways, when I got them home, they like had some damage on them and stuff. So plus they were pretty dirty. Anyways, so they've been listed since then, and I did pay $5. They just sold for $16 with discount shipping, so I think I only make like $10. So I doubled my money after almost a year, but I didn't lose money. And then I had 6 Mercari sales. I'll show you the ones on the table first. So these I actually just listed last night. We ate some good food for the Super Bowl, but we didn't really watch the Super Bowl. I just listed because I just don't like football that much. Anyways, but yeah, 3 of them sold pretty much right away. So that Pound Puppy we just showed you guys in our last bins haul. So only have about $1 into him, and he sold for $16 plus shipping.
And that is the Stimulus Check Challenge bins haul. So that's part of the Stimulus Check Challenge.
None of this stuff was, huh? Nope. And then this was just something random that I listed. So whenever you buy a Slumberkin, you get this like card with it. It's just like a cardboard thing. And it says the affirmation that the book talks about. So the book goes, you know, more into depth and whatnot. But these are just the little cardboard things. We don't really use them for anything, but I know people like to put them in frames, put them on their kid's wall or in their reading corner. So I had 4 cards, so I listed them. And then last night we were just cleaning our bedroom and I found 2 more. So yeah, I just told a lady offered me this morning. I think I listed them for 10. She offered 8 and I accepted. And then I just said I'll throw in the other 2. So basically free into $8, so. And then this was that willow tree. It's like a star backdrop. I guess it has to do with the nativity. So anyways, I just listed this last night and it sold for $35 plus shipping, which was, the shipping was $10 alone. So yeah, definitely willow tree stuff. Look out for it. This sold on Mercari and it had a ton of likers, like within the first hour, like 10 likers, like right away. So I almost sent them an offer, but I just went to bed and then woke up to it sold. So very awesome.
And again, another stimulus check challenge.
Yes.
Sale right there, so that's those 2.
And then box AD. Uh-oh, my sticky. Where are we at? So this is a Stella McCartney shirt. It was my son's shirt. I bought it off the Real a long time ago. My first son, who's 6 now, wore it when he was like 3 or 4. My other son wore it recently. I think I paid like 12 bucks for it because like when they send out the $30 credits, you basically just pay the shipping if you get a $30 item. And I'm pretty sure that wasn't even a $30 item. So let's say I paid 12 bucks. It sold for 16 plus shipping. So made all my money back there. And then in box CY. This is a Peak Kids hoodie. It does say E equals MC squared. And on the back it has the, I don't know, I think it says theory of relativity or something on the back. So anyways, normally these would sell for more, but this one, it had some stains on it, and then it also was sized like, I feel like it's size 6'7", but it fit like a size 3T, so I had to note that with measurements, which made it harder to sell, but finally sold for $17 plus shipping. And I think I bought it off the buy sell trade a while back for $18, so made most of my money back there. And then last sale is box AT. So these I thought were so cool when I found them, and I was so sure they were going to sell right away. They'd sell for, I thought they'd sell for like $20 plus shipping. They didn't. I paid $1 for each. There's Minnie and Mickey. It's just like wall art, I think, like to hang on your wall, but it's like plushy.
Like a pillow.
Yeah, it's like a soft, but it's not like very fat like a pillow. But anyways, it reminded me of like Full House. I swear they had like stuff on their walls like this. But anyways, it finally sold last night. Someone offered me $7 plus shipping, and I accepted. So doubled my money, and that's about it. But yeah.
All right. So that's what sold for us today. We're going to go ahead and get that stuff all packed up and ready to ship. All right, guys, we are back. We got that stuff all packed up, ready to go. And I think we still have the stuff we packed up last night. But we did get one more sale. So Kathy's going to pull it, and we'll ship it real quick.
The brand Mountain Khakis. They reminded me of the Patagonia stand-up shorts, which is why I bought them. I did see that they were organic cotton, so, and I could tell they were like just a really nice quality short. I did pay $5.99 for these. They sold for $25 with discount shipping on Posh, so I make $17.54, so about $11 profit on those. I already printed the label, so just gonna put a Great Taste sticker. And this box should be done. But yeah, that's it for today.
Poshmark is the easiest to ship.
Poshmark, so I don't want to quit it, even though it's probably the least amount of sales that we do.
Yeah. Also, I'm just working on another YouTube video that should be going up tomorrow. But yeah, that's what we've got going on today. Got to go pick up Connor from school and get this stuff off to the post office. So hope you guys had a great day, but we'll see you in the next one.